Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, February the 1st, 2023. Yes, first day in February, and it's war day number 343. Yeah, 343 days ago the war started in Ukraine, and everything changed in the world. Well, almost a year. Let me continue with these three regular puzzles. We have here three regular puzzles: the binary puzzle, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. I will solve these three puzzles first, because in the evening I will do the rest of the puzzles in the additional. Yes, we have an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also the 2 tectonics. Yeah, 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru, and the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me, and I'm not getting paid for solving Sudokus. Well, if the publisher will hire me, no problem. I'm open for that job. Anyway, first puzzle number 5887. 5887. It's a binary puzzle, yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 23 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the 1s. Double 1, Dano, double 1, Dano, double 1, Dano, double 1, Dano, double 1, double 1, Dano. Now the double O's. Double O, here one, there one, 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 double O, here one, there one. We have a double 1 here, here no, there no. Alright, let me fill those gaps. Between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Okay. Let me see now. Double O, here one, there one. 5 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Right. Yeah. We have here 4 1s in this row. If I place number 5, the 5th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be one. They should be no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Alright. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. Double O, here one, there one. Okay, I mark these 2 boxes otherwise I will make a mistake. Okay. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright. A double O, here one, there one. Yeah. Between two ones comes an O. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. Between two O's comes an 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and a fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Okay. Here we have 3, 4. And a no between an O and a 1 in this column. With 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, 4. Oh, double 1. Here no, there no. Okay. And a no between an O and a 1. With 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. That box should be an O. Okay. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Time for comparing, I believe. Here I cannot move. Here I cannot move. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. There should be 1 and O and a 1 there. Well. 1, 2. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So those 2 boxes should be a 1. Double 1. Oh no, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double 1. Here no, there no. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we need to compare now. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 completed rows, and 1, 2, 3, 4 completed columns. Alright, here we have a double 1, so should be the last column. Let me check. Oh, not the same. So how about these 2 double O's? Here we have also a double O. Wow, yes. This column and that column. Let me compare. The O, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Okay, between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Alright. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Completed. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, in 11 minutes. Well. Only one time comparing. Only one time comparing. But we solve it again. 11 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with time and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other two regular puzzles, the medium Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.